At Nicholas. So what we gonna do, Wesley?
Well, I'm finna
For us the light
try to
switch.
install a light switch over
Okay.
here to operate this light, and I guess put a, what, we need a socket over here?
Yeah.
Put
Socket.
a wall socket.
Mm-hmm.
And then, that's about it.
Going through the. What we're gonna go through the.
Oh yeah, the attic is kind of tight up there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got like where's the
Do me a favor before you
built-in place?
Right.
do me a favor before you start working. Get this out the way first.
Oh, okay. Move the wire.
Yeah, we don't wipe the way first.
Yeah, I thought moving the wire too. You want to video that up there, man?
Yeah.
So it's really tight up there where we gotta go.
It's a hell of a job up there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to kind of leave underneath, kind of crawl over here.
Yeah, it's pretty tight up under here. Well, it's dark. I can't see. So this is up in the attic. So we're gonna have to have a light up here. Yeah, additional door right on the side room, so it would be a side entrance instead of going through here, which would be going into someone else's room. I'm gonna move this wire here,
Yeah, these wire
and
sockets gonna have to be moved over.
so we can put the door right here. That way they can come in through here and go through the hallway.
Let me get a tester in. Let me get the tester and electrical off.
Nicholas signing off.